Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, I have blown out my hair. I used my Revlon paddle brush blow dryer, and I blew my hair out so that I can do a dry twist. So I'm going to put some mini twists in my hair just to give my hair a break, to give me a break, so that I can do, just kind of live life and not worry about styling my hair every week. So what I'm going to do is a dry twist on my hair so that I can keep my hair in a protective style for about 3 weeks. So that's what we'll be doing today. I will show you guys what products we'll be using in today's video. So in today's video, the products that you will need will be a rat tail comb, wide tooth comb, hair clips. I'll be using my hair oil, argan oil, thermal protector by HSI, and I'll be using Camille Rose's conditioning custard, the sweet ginger cleansing rinse, and then the twisting butter, the almond jade twisting butter. So these are the products that we'll be using in today's video. And as always, I will list them in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And without further ado, we're going to let's get started off with me sectioning my hair back into 4 sections. Whoop. And then I'm going to go by each section and just apply some of my oil mixture. Okay guys, so we're going into the 5th hour. So it's almost 5 hours in, and all I have is this last row here. So everything else has been twisted, as you can tell. Yes, I'm loving it already. It's a lot of hard work, guys, but it's worth it. So I will just let you guys watch me do the last row here, and we'll be done. Okay, and so you guys know that I have fine hair, and so you can tell that it's fine when it's twisted like this. But as it gets old, it does, you know, puff out just a little bit, so it looks a little bit fuller. But I actually really love it. I am so ready to enjoy the next few weeks with not worrying about my hair. So yes, I'm actually very pleased with how they turned out. I know my daughter came in here when I was about halfway through, and she was like, "You still twisting your hair?" I'm like, "Yes, this will take some hours." So here's the back. It's very light, fluffy, airy, and it smells wonderful. This Camille Rose, oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I may be sold on it because it smells absolutely amazing. So I am very pleased with the outcome of my hair. I think this one I need to make into 2 twists. That's better. And what I'll do is kind of clip this back to get it to where these will lay better than what they're laying. But this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button if you have not done so already. All of my new viewers, new subscribers, welcome, and thank you so much for watching. My already subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of the family, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. See you later.